So, you are in Romania and you do not know what to eat? Let us help you a little bit. First of all, you should know that the Romanian cuisine is at the crossroads of many culinary cultures, borrowed the best in every one and has transformed everything into tasteful symphonies, but also in kilos that you will notice when you get back home. It's just irresistible. There are many dishes that you should not miss when visiting this wonderful country, but one of the first places in the ranking is occupied by the famous Sarmale, also known as stuffed cabbage or stuffed cabbage rolls. The recipe is simple: minced pork meat, rice, pickled cabbage or vine leaves, tomato juice, onions, smoked bacon, salt and pepper. Prepare the mix. Take a tablespoon of the composition and a leaf, roll it, then close at both ends. Fill the pot with layers, sandwiching smoked bacon and adding tomato juice. Cook on low flame or small heat in the oven for 2 to 4 hours. Most of the time sarmale are served together with a generous portion of polenta, sour cream and eventually a hot pepper. From this heavenly good combination one should not miss a glass of red wine. When you are invited to the table by your Romanian friends, if that you are being offered sarmale, it is not polite to refuse them. The one that made them, wife, mother or grandmother, will be disappointed even if she does not show it. While in Romania, if you want to go to a restaurant with Romanian cuisine and do not find sarmale in the menu, you should better go and eat elsewhere. It's not that traditional. Avoid unhappy combinations and sad mornings. Beer does not work with sarmale. Try instead a dry or semi-dry red wine, depending on your preferences. Or water if you're thirsty. Thank you very much for watching.